This is Dream Demon. Of course, the house number is 2144. Too bad it's not 666. Oh, spooky house. I'm definitely going to come back here at night. The haunted house. Even that tree. I forgot what kind of tree that is, so that's kind of creepy. Oh, yeah, I definitely want to come back to this demonic place at night. I mean, even the yard is just spooky, too. Ooh. This is not a safe space. Ain't that the truth? BBB, Bombay Beach, Dream Demon. The Demon House. Yeah, I definitely gotta add in some spooky music to this. Hey, Hefe now, check out the clouds. They're not the happy clouds like you post, but poofy cotton clouds. Red rum, red rum. This is beyond creepy. So we got fake spider, and then we got, looks like maybe some real spider webs there. Ooh. There is the demon's throne, maybe. Leaf your dreams for the poet tree. This is a fucking trip. But first, let me take a selfie. All this needs now is some spooky music. Maybe a fog machine. Anything on TV? Nope. Too bad it doesn't squeak. All right. Thanks for watching, noobs.